Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a close look at the Shark IZ163H Pet Plus Cordless Stick Vacuum. With its lightweight design, self-cleaning brush roll, and advanced filtration, it promises to be a powerful solution for cleaning carpets, hard floors, and tackling pet hair. But does it really deliver? Let's break it down. The Shark IZ163H Pet Plus is designed with versatility and performance in mind. It's a cordless stick vacuum, offering the convenience of a removable battery that delivers up to 40 minutes of runtime. This makes it ideal for quick cleanups, or if you have a smaller home. The runtime is measured in standard mode at the hand vac, meaning you'll likely get less time when using the full vacuum, but for everyday messes and light cleaning, it's more than adequate. At the heart of this vacuum is the powerful PowerFins Brushroll. Unlike traditional bristles, the PowerFins offer continuous cleaning contact, allowing it to dig deep into carpets while directly engaging hard floors. This dual action ensures that dirt and debris are lifted efficiently, making it great for both types of surfaces. What sets this vacuum apart is the self-cleaning brush roll feature, designed to tackle pet hair without the usual annoying wrap. If you've ever dealt with tangled hair on a vacuum, you'll appreciate this. It helps maintain suction power, so you don't have to stop midway to clear blockages. And if you've got pets, this is a game changer. Another standout feature is the MultiFLEX technology in the wand. It allows you to bend the wand, which is perfect for cleaning under furniture and around tight corners. When you're done, the wand easily folds down for compact, freestanding storage. It's a simple but highly effective design, especially if you're tight on space. Moving on to filtration, the Shark IZ163H comes with a HEPA filter and an Anti-Allergen Complete Seal. This system captures dust, allergens, dander, and other particles, trapping them inside the vacuum so they don't get released back into the air. It's a big win for allergy sufferers, keeping your home cleaner and your air fresher. The vacuum also features an XL dust cup with a clean touch dirt ejector. This makes emptying the vacuum a cleaner, more hygienic process. You won't have to get your hands dirty, which is always a plus. But how does this vacuum actually perform in real-world scenarios? Let's talk about that. When I tested the Shark IZ163H on fine dust and crumbs on hard floors, it did a solid job. The PowerFins really help with this. Those continuous contact points ensure even the smallest particles don't get left behind. On carpets, it's equally impressive. It lifts embedded dirt and pet hair effortlessly. However, if you have particularly thick carpets, you might find it lacking the deep power of a full-sized vacuum, but for most homes, it's more than sufficient. For pet owners, the self-cleaning brush roll is a game changer. I ran it through a series of pet hair tests on carpets, upholstery, and even car interiors, and it passed with flying colors. The hair was picked up without any tangles, and the brush roll stayed clean, maintaining suction power throughout. Cleaning stairs, upholstery, and those hard-to-reach areas? No problem. The hand vac mode is lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for above-floor cleaning. The attachments, including the crevice tool and upholstery brush, make it versatile enough to clean every corner of your home. Now, there are a few minor drawbacks. The battery life can drop off a bit when using the vacuum in higher power modes, which is expected with most cordless models. And while the XL dust cup is great for keeping things less messy, it can fill up quickly if you have a larger home or a lot of pets. It's something to keep in mind if you're cleaning larger areas regularly. When it comes to noise, the Shark IZ163H is relatively quiet for a vacuum, but don't expect complete silence. It's quieter than most full-sized vacuums, but you'll still hear it running, especially on higher power modes. Now, how does this vacuum compare to others in its class? The Shark IZ163H competes directly with other cordless models like the Dyson V8 and the Tanico Pure One S12. All of these vacuums excel on hard floors, but the Shark's PowerFins brush roll gives it a slight edge when it comes to deep cleaning carpets. In terms of runtime, the Shark holds up well, but models like the Dyson V8 offer a bit more time, especially in their lowest power settings. When it comes to pet hair, however, the Shark's self-cleaning brush roll outperforms the competition, keeping tangles at bay. In terms of build quality, the Shark IZ163H is solid. The materials feel premium without being overly heavy, and the construction is sturdy. The attachments are easy to switch out, and the vacuum feels well balanced in hand. Maintenance is relatively straightforward, with the Clean Touch dirt ejector making it easy to empty the dust cup. The Brushroll, however, may need occasional cleaning, especially if you have long hair or pets. When it comes to value for money, the Shark IZ163H falls in the mid-range price bracket for cordless vacuums. It's not as expensive as the Dyson V8, but it offers strong performance, especially when it comes to pet hair and allergen filtration. If you're someone who needs a lightweight, powerful vacuum that can handle multiple floor types and pet hair, this vacuum is a great option. However, if you're looking for a vacuum that can handle deep cleaning large homes with thick carpets, you might want to consider stepping up to something more powerful. In conclusion, the Shark IZ163H Pet Plus cordless stick vacuum is a solid choice for pet owners, allergy sufferers, or anyone with mixed flooring in their home. It's easy to use, has powerful suction, and offers great features like the self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration. While it's not the best for deep cleaning thick carpets or large homes, it performs exceptionally well in most everyday cleaning situations. If you're looking for a lightweight, versatile vacuum that excels at picking up pet hair and handling both hard floors and carpets, this is definitely worth considering. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on our upcoming content. Thanks for watching today's review of the Shark IZ163H. You can find the product link in the comments box below if you're interested. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Goodbye until next time, and remember, we've got more inside reviews to help make your cleaning life just a bit easier.